no slipping occurs at all surface. So I'll draw the diagram. There's a big one. This circle is a pulley. Huh? So we can have the blocks connected by pulley. So earlier what we took, they are individual. Let mass of each block be M. Let it be B, C. Between the bars, mu, and this is smooth Stirling. And between the bars, let it be mu. Between the blocks, there'll be friction. Between the block C and the ground, it is smooth. So let's calculate like what is the maximum force for no slipping at all surface. I'm directly asking that one. So what is the FAL value? Mu mg. What is FBL value? 2 mu mg. I think by this time, straightly I'm writing. So how to get the direction of frictions acting? So when I apply force F, here the tension will be F by 2. This will be F by 2. Then how the friction force we have to show? The friction on the block here will be block A like this. Then on the block B, you have to show here. Similarly, this friction Fa which is acting on block B will try to slide it. Then the friction here FB. Then on this block FB and the tension. So let this be. I just assumed it. Or no sir, why you did like this? So here also tension is acting. Okay, no problem. You can assume the friction here. FB will be like this. Then FB. Because sir, you took F by 2. Carry on. If you get the direction negative, change the direction. So, but I think it's a better practice. Look at this one. The tension will try to pull this block C. So what this pulley will do, will try to pull block A and C. Then note when the block B will oppose the motion of A and C. So therefore, there's a one better way of assuming the tension. So assuming the direction of friction. Now, okay, after getting this, directly all will have same acceleration. So let's assume that. Let's assume that all will have same acceleration. So what is the net external force acting on the system? It is only the force acting on the pulley, no? So therefore, what is the acceleration of system should be F by 3m. Okay, let's assume that. Let's assume that no slipping occurs at all surfaces. So I'll write down no on the block A. On block A, F by 2 minus Fa equal to me. And further, Fa equal to ma what I can write as F by 3. So what is Fa is equal to now?
F by 6, sir.
Fa equal to F by 6, I'll write it. Now here, I'll do one thing. I'll keep on increase applied force. What is the maximum permitted value of Fa? Or F is equal to 6 Fa. I'll keep on increase the applied force. So when F becomes F max, this will become FAL, which is equal to 6 mu mg. Is it our answer? No, we have to cross check. No, when you apply that 6 mu mg, what about the slipping between B and C? Can it occur? So there's a cross check. So I'll write it here. Cross check. What is the cross check? I'll look at the block C now. Cross check for block C. F by 2 minus FB equal to MA. And what is the value of F? 6 mu mg. Six mu mg by 2 minus FB equal to, acceleration is how much? MF by, so I'll solve everything here. 6 mu mg. So this will be 3 mu mg minus FB. FB equal to how much? 6 mu mg. So FB is equal to mu mg, I'll get it. But I think it is less than FBL. So therefore, what is the conclusion? No slipping occurs at B and C. So therefore, what we assumed is right. This will be our answer. There's a cross check. This part is a cross check. Okay, like this, what happens? You do come across a situation. So again, the ideas are same. Nothing is there. So overall, what is the basic method here? You assume one situation and take help of the calculate the friction. You assume that no slipping occurs, calculate the friction. If the friction at that particular point is greater than limiting, then that condition will not occur. But what I assume? No slipping occurs. And the assumption is correct here. So finally what we say? No slipping occurs at B. So the assumption so therefore maximum force, this should be equal to 6 mu mg. So this should be our answer. Okay, like this is what the frictions, what happen, we will carry on things here. So any problem comes now, you just stick on to the basic method, what I'm just showing it here. Okay, any doubt you can clarify? Any doubt? Screen not able to see. I think it's so, no. Okay, I'll stop the class. Okay then.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you, sir.
Yes, all these things will come in exam. Yeah, sure, definitely will come.
Thank you.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you,
Thank
sir.
you, sir. Bye, sir.
Okay, thank you all of you. Take care.
Thank you, sir.
See you in next
Thank you,
class.